time for the word. Come on, somebody. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Be blessed.
Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If you are new to my channel, hey, how are you doing? I am a fashion consultant. We talk fashion on this channel and we also do hair tutorials. So if those are the type of content you like, make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and by liking this video you actually help my channel out a lot. And it also gives me an idea of what type of videos you like to see on my channel. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. In today's video, we're doing a Mango try-on haul. This is actually my first time purchasing items from Mango. I shopped during Black Friday, so I couldn't really get a lot of stuff because the stuff that I actually liked on the website were sold out. So we only bought 3 items, but it's better than none, right? Yeah. So the first item that I got from Mango was this leather skirt. One thing I am going to tell you about this leather skirt compared to the leather skirts that I've bought from like Shein and other fast fashion stores. This quality right here, baby, is legit, okay? The quality of the leather skirt is like an actual faux leather skirt because it's not real leather, but it feels like actual leather. And I do like the color. I didn't think I was gonna like the color when I purchased it, but I wanted leather. I'm a big leather girl. It's very soft on the inside. It has like this really interesting, you know, extra fuzziness if you do live up north or if you live in a state that does get pretty cold during the winter. I love the color, y'all. If you guys can tell in the video, I paired them off with some low cut boots. You can definitely do edginess if you wear, you know, some Steve Madden chunky boots, or you can wear your Doc Martens. I feel like skirts like this are really good for edgy style. But then again, if you want to do the office wear vibe, you can definitely pair them off with some heels. I had an idea of pairing them off with my white boots because I feel like, I don't know, it just gives me like a nice vibe with the white boots. I got this for $59.99 plus the additional 30% off that they were having during Black Friday. It was a steal, well, not a steal, but a deal, and very happy. So my next pair are the dark Palazzo pants, and the original price was $39.99, and I got them in black, and they were 30% off during Black Friday. So if you do the math, it was definitely a good deal. In my mind, when I'm looking at this picture, I was thinking because I'm short, they might give me like a wide leg effect, but they don't. They just give me like a fancy sweatpants effect. They do remind me of chinos in a way, but I mean it still look good, but I would just wish they're a little bit on the wide leg side. I got these in a medium, and one thing I am going to say about these sweatpants right here is they do give me more like of a professional sweatpants vibe. Like if you do work in an office, I mean, I know everybody's working from home right now, and there are some people that are working office jobs right now as well. But if you do work at an office, these would be perfect for like, you know, your casual but then look presentable type of pants. If you are looking for those type of pants, definitely recommend these. I am gonna say if you do, you know, have the mentality of folding your pants and, you know, putting them in the drawer, they will wrinkle up on you. So please, if you are trying to look chic, iron them, you know, steam them. Just make sure you take off the wrinkles. Don't walk out the house with wrinkled clothes, okay? You won't look good. You think nobody cares, but people actually notice. People like me notice, okay? You look bad. So yeah. So my next but not least, My last but not least item from Mango I got from Mango is the, let me run it up real quick, is their texture raffle dress. The original price for this dress right here is $79.99, and I got it for 30% off during Black Friday. And I'm really happy that I actually purchased the dress because the original price is $79.99. Just think about it. So this dress is in a size medium, well, a size 6, European size medium, that's what it says. And I love this dress. I wasn't expecting to actually like this dress, but I love this dress. It's giving me chic, elegant, you know, European style, fashion, London girl type of vibe. I love, love, love the texture of this dress, y'all. Now, when I bought this dress, I was thinking about my white boots once again, because I haven't been wearing the white boots lately. Where will I go? Yeah, so when I bought this, I was thinking about the white boots, but the whole fit was just all about boots, if you want me to be honest with you. Yeah, so I bought this dress because I like boots. So I definitely am going to be wearing this with a lot of boots, a lot of blazers, and a lot of boots. So yeah, the fitting on this dress for a size 6 is actually pretty good. Normally a size 6, back when I was a size 6, but I was very skeptical about ordering a size 6 because I'm no longer a size 6. We're not going to talk about the sizing, but I'm no longer a size 6. I was very skeptical about the arms because I felt like my arm was going to be a little bit tight, but this dress right here, I'm glad I got a 6 because it fits me perfectly. But yeah, overall this dress is really nice. This dress is really, really nice. It's not too short. It's just the right length for me. I don't like to wear a lot of short stuff. I still like to keep it classy, bougie, elegant. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I hope you enjoy me as your host for today. It will mean a lot to me if you do like this video right here. It just helps me to know that you do like try on hauls, or you like me as a person, and it also lets YouTube know, you know, hey, keep pushing me out there. People need to see this face. Anywho, yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know if you shopped at Mango before. If you have stores that you would like for me to shop at and you've been skeptical to try, hey, send them over here. Okay, we like risky our bank account sometimes. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.